I'm Neil Nigosian. I'm here with Brett Nigosian. This is TriCast number 9, one of our 4 videos this time around.
Yep. We have our first video with our latest security vulnerabilities given to you by Wayne Patton. Next video by everybody here, Windows 7 and how it can increase your desktop efficiency, what they did with the user interface and all that kind of stuff. Then we move on to our tips and tricks, which I did, which we give a cool thing on how to save some battery life on your laptop so you don't have to buy one every 12 months.
And this time around we have a special guest star that we've talked about in the other videos. Great Nigosian from Adviso is here to talk to us about how you can increase your business productivity through one of his products called Projex5.
Hello gang, how's everyone doing? Thank you to Neil and Brett and the crew at TriNet for giving us this opportunity to talk to you about Projex5. Projex5, what is it? Well, think about this. Imagine a software tool that's available. It's on the web. There's no software to install on your individual PC. You access it through a browser. And that software would allow you to create and manage your company's website. Now, there's software out there that'll do that already, but imagine this extra step in the whole process that Projex5 would allow you to manage your company business and integrate all of your business functions from your website to your customer management to your job and project management all in one central location, one software tool, nothing special to learn, no code knowledge required. It's used right out of the gate.
So wait a minute, it's not just content management like most companies offer.
No, it's not.
I can edit my website by myself,
absolutely.
But this is beyond that.
Beyond that. Okay. Beyond. So what is? Let me show you Projex5. Let's talk about it a little bit. Here's Projex5. It's a Projex5 website. You can learn a little bit more about Projex5 yourself after this shoot by visiting Projex5.com. Remember the X, remember the 5. Now, why the 5? Well, there's 5 key reasons why you want to integrate Projex5 into your business.
5 like the number 5 or 5 like F-I-V-E?
5 like number 5. 5 like number 5. Projex5 will allow you to do real-time updates to your website. Okay, so imagine, if you've ever dealt with a web developer and they disappear on you and you can't get any changes and you got to put a new product up on your site, you can't get anything done. You don't have to worry about that anymore. You can do the real-time changes yourself. Cool? Okay, that's 1. Number 2, no code knowledge. You don't have to have any knowledge of code to use this thing at all. No Dreamweaver, no Visual Studio, none of that stuff. If you can edit a Word document, then you can set up and maintain and add web pages to your website with Projex5, right? How about that? CRM, customer relationship management. Okay, what good's a website if it can't help you gain more customers other than just being an online brochure? Right? We don't want an online brochure. We want you to use it at what they call Web 2.0 is the latest buzzword. We've been doing that for a long time. Okay. Projex5 will help you collect leads, collect new customers, and help you convert those customers or those leads to paying customers. So that's what the integrated CRM is for. Got to pay. Here's another part, search engine. Search engine friendly. Projex5 is built with search engine optimization in mind. So you don't have to do anything special other than know your business and answer simple questions that we present to you when you set up a web page or your website in Projex5 so that the search engines, Google, Yahoo, and the like, will find that your site is a search engine friendly site, which would mean that it would be placed higher than somebody else's ranking.
So I don't have to pay thousands of dollars every month to have somebody else going out there doing the same thing for me.
No, you don't.
Projex5 takes care of it.
Projex5 will take care of that. Just answer the questions. And then the big one is, well, you just brought it up, number 5, save money. I want to log into the back end of Projex5 to give you an idea of what features are available. Now, we've got limited time here, and we're not going to go through everything. If you want a demo of Projex5, please contact the crew at TriNet, and they'll set something up for you. And we'll get someone out there to show you all the features, to set up a web demo if you're not available here in the local area. I just logged into Projex5. I used a login, name and password. You probably saw that go on the screen before. What we have available in Projex5 are all of these individual modules that you see here on the left. So right here on the left here, you see all these individual modules. We have project management. So this is an important aspect of managing your business. Yes, you can use the website to gain customers, but then what do you do with those customers afterwards? You need to have projects to track your time, your materials, is when you're all done with your projects, you can push this information to your accounting software. So we can take you from complete lead generation, think about this, from your website lead generation, all the way through gathering and gaining a customer to collecting revenue for that customer by invoicing and integrating that all into one software suite. What business would not be complete without clients? You can manage all of your client information right here within Projex5. All your clients' contacts. You can send out auto emails generated from Projex5. Just a little teaser of information that we've got available. You can do the same thing with your suppliers as well. Do you have multiple locations?
Not yet, but we will.
Okay, all right. Well, if you did, then you would be able to track those multiple locations, what staff is assigned to those multiple locations right here with the location module that we've got built in.
Nice.
Leads. Well, leads are important because leads convert into customers.
Generating business, right?
You got it. So could you imagine your customers going to projex5.com/contact us, and this form appears. They fill out this form. Now, this is an intelligent form. It's not just a simple form that'll send you an email like some other websites or some of the older technologies. When you fill this form out, it will automatically not only send emails to you, letting you know that someone wants to be contacted, and the customer saying thank you for contacting us, right? But it will also take that information and store it directly in the Projex5 module, which is right here.
Now, when you say Projex5/whatever, it could be my website. It could be
absolutely,
trinetcorp.com/support/contact/leads/whatever I want it to be.
Yeah, think of it as a search function that you put at the end of the name of the .com name.
All right, so these people don't have to worry about
it.
being Projex5. They'll come to us. We'll set up all the DNS and all that kind of craziness to make sure it's your domain. And Projex5 is back it.
And we could use one of our pre-existing designs for the website, or we can use what you already have. A lot of companies have invested a lot of time and money in their existing website, and they're pleased with the aesthetics of their site, but the site doesn't function. It doesn't do what they need to be doing.
It doesn't take it beyond being a brochure.
Right, exactly. So we can take that layout, if you're satisfied with that layout and you really have your heart set on it, we can take that and
can you take my forms and integrate them to be forms that work with Projex5?
Absolutely. Do it all the time. Great. Do it all the time. And then, of course, the piece that brings it all together, is to bring this all back home, is the website. And you can manage all your web pages right here within Projex5. Those are all the web pages. Why is now? Let's ask you a question. Why is this integrated? Because it only makes sense that your website and your clients and your jobs and your projects are all integrated together. This is how the big boys do it. We give you the opportunity to do that here in an affordable package called Projex5. Show you real quick how easy it is to maintain a site. Add content, change content. Here's the About Us page on the Projex5 website.
So you just click it, and now I'm looking at the content that people see.
You got it. And see, think of this as the Word document. This is all the content that we typed in.
It's like a familiar word editor at the top.
Absolutely. Very familiar word editor at the top. And
what if I have like my receptionist or something like that, my new receptionist doing something like this, where she's moderately familiar with Word as opposed to the last one, and she can she bold things? Can she? I mean, is it that straightforward?
It's that straightforward.
Great.
I'm going to highlight that word there. I'm going to hit bold. I'm going to hit underline.
And that's going to show up on the website like
It's going to show up on the website as long as you hit
save.
As long as you hit save. And again, same style of format that we did with the news. When do you want this displayed? Do you want a page that goes up for a certain period of time? You can do that here with Projex5. You can
you can expire the page?
You can expire the page.
Okay.
You can put it. You can set it up in advance and then not have to worry about actually rolling it on a given day. So think about that. And we've got a lot of different companies that are using Projex5 for the fact that they can update the website constantly.
I like it. Thanks, Greg.
No problem. Thanks for the opportunity.
Send in your Ask TriNet question either at AskTriNet@trinetcorp.com or fill out the form on the website. Go to trinetcorp.com and click on the little question mark right there. Send us in your question. We'll send you one of these, all three of these, actually, because we got to clear it. But be sure to do it. And next time around, we'll answer your questions online and on our webcast or on our TriCast at YouTube and on trinetcorp.com. Have a great night.
My woman's back in Chicago.